Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error, Getsockopt. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to the bottom right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Okay. Now, once it loads, make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled or toggled on. And once it's toggled on, just click on sync now, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go to the top right, click on region and select the correct region. Okay. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. If that will work, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down control panel like so. Click on control panel. Now go ahead and go to the top right, click on large icons. Okay. Or category. Make sure that you're under large icons. And once done, go to your network and sharing center. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top left, click on change adapter settings. Like so. Now go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. Double click. Now click on properties. Now go ahead and find Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Now click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. Now go ahead and click on properties. Now in this tab or pop-up, copy my settings, obtain an IP address automatically, check. Use the following DNS server addresses, check 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. And once that's done, hit on OK. Close everything. Now go ahead and find command prompt, CMD. Click on run as administrator. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Now type in netsh space windsock space reset. Okay. Hit on enter. Now type in exit. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.